Here's how to animate on click in Canva, step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This lets text or elements appear one by one when you click during a presentation. No need for duplicate slides. If your text or design has multiple parts, you need to group them. Select the elements, then click Group. Each group will animate on a separate click. Hold Shift and select all the groups you want to animate. Click Animate in the top toolbar. Pick any animation you like: fade, rise, blur, or more. You can apply the same animation to all groups or customize them individually. At the top of the animation panel, select On Click. This is the key step. Click Order. You'll see a list of elements. Tap each one to preview and reorder them so they appear in the right sequence. Click Present. When the slide opens, nothing shows yet. Each mouse click or arrow key reveals the next element. You can animate in, but not animate out. Going backward won't replay animations. You can now reduce slide count and create cleaner, more professional presentations. And that's it. That's how to animate on click in Canva. Subscribe for more Canva presentation tips.